Hello guys, this is Tekuzad and in this video we'll be making a meme command. So all those who aren't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you click that subscribe button and push the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. So for the video, let's get started. First I made a subdirectory in the main directory commands named as fun, and then I've created a file in fun named as meme.js, and let's start coding. Alright, so first up, import the discord.js library by doing const discord is equal to require discord.js, and then we need to import an npm module which is random puppy, and it helps you get random images from the web, and you just have to provide which type of images you need. So for installing random puppy, you need to open any of your command shells and do npm and then cd into your bots folder first, and then do npm I random puppy, wait for it to get installed, and then you can close the cmd, and then we do our module.exports thing. The name is meme, of course, and then the description, which is gives you a meme or whatever you like. And then we have our run function. Then for that we have to async client message and args that we did in our command handler video, and so we have done that, and then we can finally start coding. So first we have to define an array named as meme, in which we'll be storing different types of input that we need for the memes. So the first input could be meme, then the meme thing has to be an array consisting of different input searches. So the next I have given it as dank meme, or the third one as discord meme. Put whatever you like. It gives you the as many options as are there. It gives you more appropriate results and more funny memes in this case. So then I go ahead and generate a random number from 1 to the length of the meme, and then I multiply it with the meme, and then I get that position, then I get the string at that position in the meme array. So for that you do const random is equal to meme math.floor math.random into meme.length. This will generate a random number from 1 to the meme length, and then round it to an natural number, so that we don't get any numbers in fractions or decimals, etc, etc. And then we can finally get our image from the random puppy module. Okay, so for that we do const image is equal to random puppy, and in brackets we do random. So that basically tells the random puppy module to search for that particular string that we have got from the array by using the random function. So we await the result, and then we do await random puppy, and then in brackets we do random. So this will get that image for us, and then we can convert that image and in display it in the form of a very nice embed. So for that we do const embed, or whatever you want to name the embed as. Const embed is equal to new discord.message embed. You can name the embed whatever you want. I have just chosen it to be as embed, and then I set a title as meme. This is not necessary, but I'm just doing it for the explanation's sake. And then I can set an image easily by doing the set image property of embeds, and I did it. So then I can set a timestamp, optional, this is optional, and then I can send that embed. So let's go ahead and test the command. You can also await the sending function. So for example, you could, if you would do await message.channel.send embed, that would also work fine. but it's not necessary. So if I go into the tutorial website, tutorial server, and then I test meme command, there's no error, and the image is not loaded. That probably is an internet issue. So let's try again. And yeah, here it shows a random joke from the web that it found from the random puppy module. And yeah, this is pretty much a basic meme command that works pretty much fine. And that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like. If you do need help with anything, make sure to join my Discord server or comment them below, and I'll surely try to help you guys.